I tried to put in fog lights, it was a fail. Alright, let's see how this rust inhibitor stuff worked out. Made it look like someone splooged on here. It requires more rust dissolver. And I don't know. So I've come to find out that I think... No, I just need the rocker panels. No, because that needs to get fixed too. Why was that like blue? Yeah. So you need the rocker panel completely removed. And that stuff repaired, it looks like. Guess I could throw more of that rust stuff on there. But I think it's just too cold. I need a new rear. Alright, that's the white shit from
Holy shit, there's holes back here.
There's holes everywhere. That whole thing is gone.
Yeah, I just seen that. Holy shit.
That's what I'm saying, so I laughed. I was like, yeah.
Weight reduction, that's for sure right there.
Fucking more.
Needed it right there.
Yeah, at least this stuff, at least the fucking, this side's all solid. This side's kind of more gone than the other side though, but that rust inhibitor stuff works. I just need the wire wheel now. I think that's Bondo. Pretty sure that's Bondo. Or just rust. I don't know, whatever. There's all that. Copyrighted. Also, yellow fog lights was a fail. The bulbs were too big. But at least they're cleaner. Alright guys, sorry I haven't been filming much, but it's been freezing. Work's been crazy. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to put this video out this week or not. We're going to install the short ram air intake. I will go for a drive on this guy, but as you can see, it's been sitting outside, so it's just frozen everywhere. We've been having below zero temperatures. All of this is just... Holy crap. Like that is a nice thick of a piece of ice. But yeah, until I blow up on this YouTube stuff, if I do, probably won't, but if I do, we'll get better content. But till then, I film when I can, so let's get at it. All right, got this little shorty in there. Plug that back in. We'll run all the hoses back. And then essentially I can go for a drive because I'll actually have a filter on it. So, all right, there's my shorty little intake. Hopefully it doesn't get smashed by the hood. Tighten these clamps back down. And at least now I can go for a rip, are you, bud? We can go for a rip. And then I just gotta still do all that. But I honestly don't know if I'm gonna send this out on this Monday or not, depending on how much content I have. But for now, I'm filming when I can, guys. I'm sorry for the lack thereof content, but I'm filming when I can. This polar vortex bull crap is a pain, and next week we're gonna get all this plasti dip off. That is the plan for next week. I don't think there's any plasti dip. Try to clean that up, get that black again, get all this. I gotta see if I have a lock for these wheels. If not, I don't know. Look at that, it's just straight, just on there. Gas door ain't coming off. Yep. All right. Oh, and then I'll get all that plasti dip off. And we'll see. I guess we'll see what will really come of it. But that's the rust inhibitor stuff. I guess it might be too cold for it to work, but it worked under the hood. Like over here where it was, it's no longer rusty. That bolt is nice and clean. Over there, it's still kind of rusty. I think I need to spray it a little more. But, I don't know. I'm going to end the video here because it's getting late. I don't have much else I can do. So, if I do send this out on Monday, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more content come Monday, or next week Monday, shall I say, on this SRT4. See ya. Peace. This winter weather is not my friend. Let's see how she works.